Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly your powerful 8-cylinder engine starts feeling sluggish and hesitant, as if half the horses under the hood just decided to take a nap at the wrong time. If your check engine light is staring you in the face, and you have pulled the code P3470, you are dealing with a performance issue in the cylinder 9 exhaust valve control circuit. This specific error is part of the OBD2 family, and while it is generic, you will often see it popping up in vehicles like Dodge, Jeep, or Chevy. Now, what is actually happening is that your engine control module, or the EECM, is trying to be smart and save you some fuel by deactivating certain cylinders during light loads, which we call V4 mode. It uses variable valve timing solenoids to basically shut off the exhaust valves. For cylinder 9, this solenoid is usually hanging out near the exhaust manifold. If the EACM sees the wrong voltage or resistance, it freaks out and sets the code. Sometimes it even cuts the fuel injector to that cylinder to protect the engine, which is why you feel that nasty misfire. You might notice your fuel economy tanking or the car shaking like it is nervous. Before you go out and buy a bunch of expensive parts, you have to check your oil. I cannot tell you how many people miss this, but low oil level or poor oil pressure will stop these solenoids from working because they rely on hydraulic pressure. Check your technical service bulletins or TSB for your specific model first, because there might be a known software fix. If the oil is fine, you need to look at the wiring for any signs of rubbing or burning. Use a digital multimeter to check for continuity and make sure you are getting 0 ohms of resistance. A common rookie mistake is replacing the solenoid when the real culprit was just a clogged oil passage or a loose connector. Take your time with this one, because a constant misfire can really beat up your internal engine components if you let it go for too long. Since this code is specific to cylinder 9, make sure you are looking at the right spot in the firing order so you do not waste time on the wrong side of the engine block. Keep it simple, check the basics, and you will get that smooth power back in no time.